Welcome back to Park Time. Have you ever wondered why some people are calm, polite, and soft-spoken in everyday life, but the moment they sit in the driver's seat and grab the steering wheel, something completely changes? All it takes is a turn signal that's 1 second late or a careless lane cut, and suddenly they're transforming like a superhero with anger issues, face turning red, blood pressure rising, and launching into a full-blown road speech powered by pure adrenaline. Out on the road, patience disappears faster than fuel on a long highway drive. Two guys chose highway combat mode, unwilling spectators watching in full HD. That turn looked like he thought he was in a video game. Switch lanes anytime. Not sure who won, but the ego definitely took a scratch. Went out shopping, ended up in a mini fight arena. That gap alone is enough to make your heart race. Brotherhood bonding right in the middle of the street. Overtook in a hurry, but still had time to throw a gesture. Tried to overtake in style, ended up embracing in traffic. It's just a red light, but he had to open the door for extra drama. The white car looks calm. The mood definitely isn't. A normal drive suddenly turned into a psychological chase. She spread her arms like demanding the world's attention.
Okay.
Parked wrong or out of gas? Why switch to manual mode like that? The whole street was calm. She decided to add special effects. The road is wide, and you still pick the biggest vehicle to tail. One look and you know this delivery won't be routine. Tried to exchange opinions, ended up exchanging water instead. The road is wide, yet you still choose right in front of someone's bumper. He stepped out like the main character. The truck played the giant villain. Not sure who's right or wrong, but those arms look ready. Small car, big determination. Social media gets the clip. The people involved get the consequences. The toll booth isn't done collecting, but the ego already raised its price. When physics delivers a free lesson. Just driving normally, then suddenly there's a street presentation. Two guys standing exactly like, what are you gonna do about it? The street is crowded, but he's determined to be the main character. If I were the bystanders, I'd pretend to check my phone to avoid the awkwardness. Three people, and not one willing to take half a step back. On the highway, yet opening the door like it's a park stroll. I just hope everyone keeps a cool head. One look at their eyes and you know this isn't a normal conversation. It's a red light, yet he still wants a warm hug from the car in front. Right in the middle of the intersection, and they decide to put on a show. He stepped out confidently until gravity disagreed. The two cars are so close it looks like a wedding photo shoot. Caught in the act, and the revenge wasn't cheap. I could hear the thud in my head just watching it. That biker is probably doing a lot of thinking right now. The way he stepped out, I thought he was filming a Risky Decisions vlog. The dog in the car is probably questioning its life choices. The guy on the left is fired up, while the one on the right looks like he's waiting in line. The cop standing there like, here we go again. Traffic wasn't exhausting enough. Had to add some drama to complete the combo. She's standing there with that come down here right now look.
Oh, they got him. They got his ass.
One look at that stance and you know both think they're the main character. You can tell the GPS wants no responsibility for this one. The traffic lights are working overtime, and he's still on his own mode. Peaceful intersection. Suddenly, it's a 4D movie. You can tell he's living his own storyline in the middle of traffic. One guy standing and breathing, the other reconsidering life choices. Don't underestimate him. Appearances can be deceiving. This scene looks like a comedy with no director needed. One steering move and the whole neighborhood has a story. The white car, hands moving faster than the brain. The guy in black looks like he's running purely on anger. That's the price you pay when a hothead tries to play the big boss. As bold as they are when stepping out of the car, that's how awkward it gets when it's time to turn around and leave. Moral of the story? Don't mess with the wrong person. If today's Park Time video helped you blow off some steam, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.